Hey y'all, this is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County. I am right in the middle, the heart of Mesa Mill, if you would, at this tower, which many people think is an old, chimney or something like that, but it's actually an ornamental fountain built all the way back in 1939 by WPA workers during the Great Depression. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. What I'm here to talk to you about is right next to it. Ranger Jonah, what have you done? Have you put in a strawberry field? What's all that black plastic? No, this is the future site of a pollinator habitat that's sponsored by the DeKalb County Soil and Water Conservation District. We here at Mesa Mill received a grant to put in pollinator plants. So why black plastic?
So when the sun hits the black plastic, it causes the plastic to become hotter, and it literally cooks what's underneath the black plastic. So it kills off anything that's down there. So there's a lot of invasive plants in here. So what we're trying to do is destroy all of the invasive plants so that when we put the seeds out next year, the native wildflowers will not be competing with the invasive non-native plants.
And so Marianne, you and Valerie and some other folks from the Ira Melton group have already put in some pollinator plants in that area. So on this side of it, where you can see it's been cleared, and on the other side, these two areas get the most sunlight of this area. So we're going to solarize the area, meaning putting down black plastic over it for 1 year. And then we'll peel back the black plastic and then we'll plant flowers. The way that it's supposed to be done is we're supposed to lay the plastic down, then we're supposed to tape the seams of the plastic. These are 6 foot wide, 100 foot long rolls. So laying the plastic down, then taping the seams of the plastic so we have like one big sail almost over the ground, and then finding a way to make sure the edges are either tacked or held down or even buried. But there's all these sticks over here from the trees that have been taken down, almost all mimosa trees. And so we should be able to lay those around the edges and over the top of it to kind of hold it down. And then, it's gonna look funny, but we're going to put up signs around it that say, we're protecting the environment, we're creating a pollinator habitat. This is what's going on with the solarization.
So we're curious, because we both have our own gardens, how long when you cover with the tarp, does it take for the weeds to die?
Great question. After a year of this black plastic, then we take it up and we plant wildflowers all over the area. Yeah, well, this area's been really disturbed for
pollinators can help grow plants, help grow new plants, and they can help with spreading pollen over times to flowers, to new flowers.
Oh, that's awesome! I love doing stuff outside. It was great. It looks like it's going to be fun to watch it happen. I may have to try this in my yard.
It was teamwork. It was a good team.
Yeah.
That's why we were able to do it so fast, I think. Wouldn't you agree?
Except for a broken shovel, I thought the day was perfect.
I think it's a very good job, and I think it will really, really work.
Thank you to all the volunteers who helped put down the solarization plastic, and to all of you who walk at Mesa Mill Park and be really patient with us while we reset this land and turn it into a beautiful pollinator habitat. This is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County, and I'll see you soon.